Welcome back to Ranch Hacks. Today I'm going to answer a few of your questions. Most common question is, how do you get the gate latch attached to the back of the post? Well, it's just a piece of chain. Basically, I use chain with a quick link so you can easily adjust it to whatever your gate size is out in the field. And on the horseshoe itself, I drill holes in the heels and then put quick links again to the springs. Easy to install, and that's the gate latch. Now, the other question I'm getting is, am I still writing songs and playing music? Yes, I am. And I think I'm going to add a segment also onto the same channel called the Western Sounds of the Eastern Slopes. I'll play you some new songs I'm writing, and hopefully talk some of my songwriter buddies into coming on and playing you some of theirs. I'll play you a little bit of one of my new songs just to show you what it's like. If you enjoy it, you'll be able to find full songs on the Western Sounds of the Eastern Slopes. Now, this song is actually called Western Sounds of the Eastern Slopes.
In the western life on the eastern slope, out riding along with the granddad's ghost. Feeling like